Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shoykot. In this video, I will explain what is WordPress. I will explain it in very simple language. If you are a beginner or planning to create a website or blog, so this video is for you. So you do not need technical knowledge. So let's start. WordPress is a software. It helps us to create website and blogs. Earlier, to make a website, we needed a developer and coding knowledge, but today, using WordPress, anyone can create a website. You do not need to know coding. You can manage everything from a dashboard. Just like MS Word helps write documents, WordPress helps us to create website. So basically, WordPress is a free open source content management system that helps us easily create, manage and publish website and blog without needing extensive coding knowledge. So you focus on your content and WordPress handle the technical part. WordPress founded on 27th May 2003 and the first version was 0.0 launched the same day. So it is developed by a American blogger Matt Mullenweg and a British blogger Mike Little. So basically it was a blogging site, but nowadays it changed dramatically and became a free open source content management system. WordPress is written in PHP and use a MySQL database to store content. So is WordPress free? Yes and no. Downloading and using WordPress is completely free, but you have to pay for the domain and the hosting. Thousands of WordPress plugins and themes are free or part free, but the best ones usually require to payments. So for an example, WordPress is like school books, but school building costs money, electricity costs money, teachers' time costs money. Similarly, WordPress is free, but running a website costs money. So why people loves WordPress despite of strong competition? Today, many website builders and content platforms are available. Some are very powerful and some are very modern, but still WordPress is most popular. So it is because easy to use, anyone can add page, write post or upload images without knowing coding. For an example, think about using a smartphone. You do not need to know how the phone is made. You just open apps and use it. WordPress works the same way. You log in, you click buttons, you write content. Even beginners can learn it in few days. That is why people loves WordPress. And the second thing, low cost. Honestly, WordPress is very cost effective. So I will give you an example. Imagine you want to open a small shop. You don't need a big showroom on day one. With WordPress, software is free, hosting is affordable, many themes and plugins are free. You can start with a small budget and upgrade later when your business grows. And third one, fast to build a website. WordPress helps you create a website very fast. For an example, earlier making a website could take a month, but now using WordPress, a basic website you can design or ready in on or 2 days. It is very helpful when a business need a website urgently, product launch is coming or event website is required. Speed is big reason people choose WordPress. Number 4, easy to manage content. Honestly, managing content is very simple in WordPress. Posting content in WordPress like posting on Facebook or writing an email. You can add a page, edit text, upload images, publish blog. You do not need a developer for small changes. This is save time and money. Number 5, highly customizable. For an example, think of WordPress like a blank room. You can decorate it any way you want. Using themes and plugins, you can add contact form, SEO tools, online store, booking system. WordPress is same, but the different design and features. Number 6, flexible for big companies. A small shop and a shopping mall both sell products, but at different levels. WordPress can handle high traffic, multiple pages, large content. Number 7, use community support. This is one of the biggest reason millions of people use WordPress. You can find blog, YouTube videos, forms, tutorials. Purpose of WordPress. What kind of website can you create in WordPress? Purpose of WordPress. So What kind of website can you create in WordPress? WordPress is not made for only one type of website. It is made for many purpose. Let me explain with the simple examples. Personal and corporate blogs. A student can share knowledge or experience. A company can share update articles and news. Number 2, businesses and corporate websites. You can create a small business website, corporate website. Number 3, portfolio and personal brands. A designer can show their work sample. A photographer can display their photos. A freelancer can attract their clients. So there are many purpose. There have different type of people made website, different objective. Number 4, e-commerce and product based website. You can create online store, product review website. So WooCommerce plugin is most popular for build a online store. Number 5, education and learning website. You can create school website, course website, educational platform. Number 6, media and content platform. You can create online publication, news website, podcast website, video website. For an example, a news company can publish their articles. A creator can upload their podcast or videos. Number 7, community and engagement website. You can create community website, newsletter website. So basically community website is a group can share their updates with their members. Newsletter website, basically a business can send their regular updates or emails to their customer. Number 8, marketing and promotion page. You can create landing page, link in bio website. So landing page means a business can run ads. So we make landing page, basically generate leads, fill the contact forms. So it's all about business purpose. And link in bio website, like a creator, if a creator want, he can share all their social links in on page. So that is called link in bio website. Special purpose like sports website, event website, government information website. Who uses WordPress? WordPress is not only for beginners. It is used by a bloggers, a small businesses, non-profit organization, freelancers, store owners, affiliates, a writers, a artist, a musicians, a consultant, service-based entrepreneur, software companies. So now you can understand, if WordPress not reliable, then the big companies would not use it. So now we will talk about WordPress market share. More than 43.4% of website in the internet are built using WordPress. So that means out of 10 website, 4 website are WordPress. So the market share you can see in the graph. So you can imagine, that is the potentiality of WordPress. Website using WordPress like Time Magazine, Salesforce, Harvard University, NASA. So many companies and organizations, even Microsoft, use blogging in WordPress platform. Then we will talk about a crucial part, WordPress.com versus WordPress org. So there are two types of WordPress, WordPress.com and second WordPress.org. Throughout this video, when I say WordPress, I am talking about WordPress.org. So what is WordPress org? It is a free and open source software that you install on your own hosting, and WordPress.com is a managed platform where hosting is already included. I'll give you a simple example that will make you more clarity. WordPress.com is like renting a house, and WordPress.org is like owning your house. So you can understand, both are goods. Choice depends on your requirements. So next we will talk about how to check your website.com or .org. Means you using WordPress and you don't know, so simply you just search in Google that https://wordpress.com/site-profiler. Then you enter the website name, then you enter the WordPress website, then click check site. So next we will talk about what do you need to use WordPress. To use WordPress.org, you need a domain name, a hosting name, and WordPress installation. That's all. And don't worry, I will explain you all those things in upcoming videos. And the next part, how WordPress works. WordPress works in a simple way. You log in to dashboard, you create page or post, and WordPress show it to your visitors. So that is the thing. So this is the basic information which I provide about WordPress, and the next upcoming video is about domain hosting and server basic explanation, basic information about those things. If this video help you, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.